All right, let's go over homework 2.6, number 6. All right, so you have this fairly complicated limit at infinity. Right? So my first impression is I would rather not work with this. All right, so then we can think about, okay, so we know something about cosine. So we know that cosine of x cannot be very big. So we say, all right, cosine of x is always between -1 and a +1. Right? So, all right, then we can say, let's multiply all three guys by e to the -4x. Right? So that will give us a negative e to the -4x is less than or equal to e to the -4x times cosine of x is less than or equal to e to the -4x. All right, so now this is a great setup for squeeze theorem. So what we can do is, so this is the smallest guy, so why not take the limit of the smallest guy, so which is a negative e to the -4x as x approaches infinity. And then we're going to take the limit of the largest guy, which is just a positive e to the -4x as x approaches infinity. Right? So remember that exponential function, let's say the graph of the e to the -4x, because of the negative sign, this is actually a decreasing exponential function. And you can see that this guy it looks kind of like this. Right? So here's 1 and getting closer to 0. Alright, so we know that the limit of this guy is going to approach negative, it's -0, doesn't matter, it's going to approach 0. Right? And the positive one still, this guy is going to approach 0. Right? So therefore, by squeeze theorem, we can conclude that since the smallest guy and the largest guy both converges to 0, which means that the middle guy has to go to the same place. Therefore, limit of e to the -4x cosine of x will still go to 0. Right? So answer is 0 right there. Right, that's it. Oh, I hope that this was clear.